renovation process can be intimidating, and that's why it's really important to hire the right team from the beginning. There are so many decisions to be made that sometimes it can feel really overwhelming. I'm really excited to take you through my personal home renovation to give you a brief overview of what to expect. Typically, a home renovation project can take up to a year from start to finish, so we always encourage homeowners to reach out to us well in advance. The project begins with a consultation where we walk through your home to brainstorm ideas and determine the scope of work. Through this process, we get the opportunity to better understand your personality and lifestyle, as well as identifying crucial elements which will inform our design later.
Once we walk through your home with Karin and her team, we then put together a detailed scope of work for your project. This will be broken down to reflect each trade required for the job and also includes individual trade pricing to allow our clients better understanding of their overall project cost. Now, renovation costs do vary from project to project, but they're typically based on square footage pricing, linear footage pricing, and the labor rates that are provided to us by our trades. We believe that every one of our projects deserves a high level of quality and craftsmanship. So we will never sacrifice our quality just in favor of finding cheaper trades.
Our team then creates a comprehensive design and construction package to ensure that everyone is on the same page. The design process generally takes about 6 to 8 weeks to complete, after which we book a presentation meeting where we walk you through all the pertinent floor plans, elevations, and review the beautiful vision boards for each space. Our goal is to give you a thorough understanding of the look and feel we'll be creating for your home. Because good design isn't about picking all of your favorite things. It's about how each item works together to create unity, function, and beauty in your space.
Once the scope of work has been confirmed, we then work with Karin and her team to begin the selection and the ordering process. From here, we can then find the optimal starting date for your renovation project.
With every renovation, our mission is to give homeowners the dream house they've always wanted, but there are always compromises made along the way. One major sticking point for me and my renovation was having no bulkheads. This was an important part of my design. In instances where walls are removed, you need somewhere to relocate the plumbing stacks and HVAC. So instead of unsightly bulkheads, I decided to bring out the walls on both sides of my house to accommodate the stacks. I essentially lost 6 inches at the front of my house and the back, but this was a compromise I was willing to make. There's no doubt there'll be concessions made along the way, but our job is to guide you through what's most important to achieve the best results.
After working together for so many years, we've created an awesome process with Karin and her team that I believe is positive for everybody involved. Partnering with such a creative and reliable design firm allows us to focus on the construction, knowing they've carefully crafted the design to make every space look absolutely stunning.
Over the course of every collaboration we take on with Rose Building Group, trust and respect is built. They're very good at managing expectations and timelines, and above all else, they value our clients. I can honestly say that the renovation side of the project for my house has been almost stress-free. Ahead of time, I understood the need to be flexible, so when issues arose, we dealt with them efficiently and did not allow them to deter us from our overall excitement of the renovation process. And this is our hope for you, to feel confident in the process, adapt when necessary, and ultimately experience the joy and excitement of creating a space that you've always dreamed of. Now that everything is complete and we move back into our home, I couldn't be happier with the results. I enjoyed the process much more than I thought I would, and who knows, I may even do it again sooner than later. We're happy to say that we truly love the space we live in.